Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. We are going to Pakistan today and we're surprising Numan's family. My family is sadly not in Pakistan, but that does not make it any less exciting. I'm so excited because nobody there has a clue that we're coming. So it's gonna be fun. Let's go. I do have a little bit of footage from before. I'm gonna insert it now. And then let's go. God, I have been the most horrible vlogger. Basically, कल मैंने काफ़ी vlog किया and then अफ्तारी बनाने में I vlogged a bit and then I didn't vlog anything. That's because me and Numan started bickering about random things and it's probably because we are overworked, overtired, hungry. तो हो जाती है, you know, कभी कभार गिफ्ट पिट लोगों में. आज भी बहुत सारा काम है हम दोनों के पास. So I hope we don't fight today because we have a flight tomorrow. और आज हम दोनों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है. So we've sort of been like managing things, like मैं कुछ करती हूँ, I'm like, okay, now you do this part and I'll take over this part because we need to get done and time is just slipping away. There's not enough hours in the day. You know, मैं कभी कभार सोचती हूँ कि I need to film like zen vlogs, zen life, calming videos, and then I'm just like, my life is not that at all. We're flying out tomorrow and there is lots to do. पता नहीं क्यों होता है ना ये हमारे साथ. हम proper planning करते हैं कि हम सब कुछ कर देंगे ताकि हमें last moment कुछ ना करना पड़े and last moment इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. The thing that's stressing me out is I can't find हमारे suitcase की चाबियाँ और हमारे घर के पास वाले Tesco पे नहीं है. So we're probably gonna have to go to a bigger Tesco to see if they have like locks. Other than that, I have to film 2 videos today. 2 videos. Why do I do this to myself? Why? Hey, एक है जाम शीन के लिए and I had to go and buy this from Hounslow and मतलब हमारा कोई प्लान नहीं था जाम शीन ख़रीदने का because we were like we're gonna go to Pakistan and have it because यहाँ पे इतनी बड़ी बोतल ख़रीदें and then कोई इस्तेमाल ना करे, but because we are filming a video so we were like okay perfect, now we need to go get it. और हमारे घर के पास जो है वो जाम शीन मिल नहीं रहा था, but I'm gonna get on it and I'm gonna stop procrastinating and I'm gonna get on it. It's happening. Hello everyone, update. Okay, so एक वीडियो मैंने 90% फिल्म कर ली है, then the rest of the stuff we need to film is with like for the star clips and everything. तो वो जब नुमान लेके आ जाएंगे आलियान को तो we can film that. Like we are pivoting basically. I'm doing something, Numan's doing something. He was packing, I was filming. Now he's going to pick Alian, so I packed a little. Now I'm making iftari. As I said, कि नुमान के cousin आ रहे हैं. कल he didn't come, he's coming today. And I'm just frying rolls. I'm thinking all the rolls we fry because there's no point in leaving anything in the fridge. We're not going to be here a while. So आज हम बहुत खाने वाले हैं. But it's worth it because आज मैंने बहुत exercise की है, बहुत चले, मतलब कुछ मैंने 10 चक्कर ऊपर नीचे के किए हैं and I've just not sat down since I've been up. So basically I've earned my right to eat unhealthy today. गाइस ऑफिशियली इफ्तार बहुत ज़्यादा बन गया था. बहुत बना दिया. आई एम सो फ्रीकिंग फुल. और जो इफ्तार के बाद सुस्ती चढ़ी है ना मुझे, मैं दिल चाह रहा है मैं बस जाके बिस्तर पे लेट जाऊँ और मैं कुछ भी ना करूँ. और अभी बहुत कुछ करना है. लाइक द किचन इज़ अ मैस, एज यू कैन सी. देयर इज़ लॉट्स टू डू. Right, I have just come upstairs to pack my makeup. Lighting बहुत crazy नहीं होगी यहाँ पे. Turn the light to the back on. There we go. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I'm gonna pack my. Let us do that. इसका नया वाला foundation रख लेती हूँ, concealer रख लेते हैं. We need this. Very importante hair wax. Hair की चीज़ें हम अलग रखते हैं. यहाँ because we have quite a bit of hairstyle. Liner bhi ho gaya hai. Alright, sunblock bhi rakh li hai. Now we need blush. Bit here, other bag. Blush palette. This is the best travel palette. Tarte की ये मैंने खरीदी थी काफ़ी पहले. It has like all. Oh, इसका ये कहाँ गया? I don't know. It has all the shades you can ever want, and this has been my travel palette for a while, so we can keep that. वो रख लिया तो फिर और हमें कुछ नहीं रखना है, because I mean that's all the blush. Favorite palette has to be this one. Zay Beauty की. I don't know if they still have this palette. This is the best palette ever because मुझे neutrals बहुत पसंद हैं. They have the best shades, like the best. और second पे मेरी favorite palette है ये Too Faced की Gingerbread. Love it. Best shades ever. And अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा experimental कुछ करना है, जो मैं करती नहीं हूँ अपनी eyes के साथ इतना, I would say I can take this Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I think that should be enough. Okay जी, lipsticks हम काफ़ी सारी लेके जाएंगे because I mean let's be honest, we need those. उसमें ना variety होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Lip liners, Rimmel does the best lip liners. I love Rimmel. एक रोड का मैं बाहर रखती हूँ because I want to do this. तुमसे मेरी नाक बहना शुरू हो जाती है ना, ये बिल्कुल मुझे सीन ऑफ लगता है. I'm gonna do this with the Summer Fridays wali. This is gonna be my lip combo for tonight, so we'll keep that in the handbag. Oh, and this is, I think I'll take these two. Tower 28. This is such a nice lip gloss. And I'm gonna take Who W. I tell you, oh, this is my favorite lipstick. This is Charlotte Tilbury की Angel Alessandra. मुझे एक और खरीदनी है because ये बस इतनी सी बची है, and it's my most used lipstick ever. I also want to keep Velvet Teddy that goes everywhere. I'm like a nude girly now. पहले मैं इतना जज करती थी लोगों को, कौन लोग हैं वो इतने बोरिंग होते हैं, सिर्फ nude lipsticks लगाते हैं. I'm those people now. I'm those boring people now जो nude lipsticks लगाते हैं. This is a very good. क्या नाम है इसका? Captivated. Ooh, this one. ये है या वो है? This is peachy. I've been so put off by pink lipstick. मुझे लगता है pink, it just doesn't look good on me anymore, which is not true because I used to think pink looked amazing. तो बस हम सिर्फ 2 pinks रखेंगे and that should be enough. Yeah. I feel like मैंने आधी से ज़्यादा अपनी lipstick drawer रख ली है, but क्या कर सकते हैं? Impulsive. Oh, और एक हमें sharpener भी रखना है. Makeup, I love makeup packing because it's the fastest packing for me. Like, I just know what I want to keep. So, we have that covered. This is the moisturizer, Kate Somerville, skin health expert, and also want to keep my Rhode skincare. Ultrasun, I've heard the sunblock is very, very good. So, I'm going to keep this. Ryan is packing his... नहीं, इसमें निकालो नहीं, पूरा थैला ऐसे ही जाएगा. पूरा थैला ऐसे ही जाएगा. डालो उसमें. We will keep the thela as it is. Yes. There we go. That's it. Good job, Ali. High five. You did it. Okay, so red suitcase all packed. I think वो दोनों थोड़े से भारी हैं. We'll need to sort that out. But this one's done, Ali. Good job. High five. Thanks for helping. Work has been done. Everything has been cleaned. Fridge khali ho gaya. It's completely empty. We have made a takeaway bag for Ali, who is gonna come and drop us to the airport, so we'll probably give him some bacha hua khana. But there we go. It's completely empty. But I think baraf pigalne ka wait hai. And I think we can turn the fridge off. We just have milk Aliyan ke liye last time banayenge, and then I'm gonna pop that in the theli as well. But yeah, bye house. I'm gonna miss you. We're leaving. Let's go. Guys, we're here. Stuff is going on. Guys, check-in done. Luggage dropped off. Now we're gonna go through security. And then we are gonna go to our lounge. I mean our gate. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, everything's done. Pura stripped down check. Alyan ki bahut checking me. But that's okay because we're in. We still have an hour and a half to spare till our flight takes off. So I think we have an hour till it boards. I'm so excited because we're surprising everybody. This is gonna be exciting. Guys, bhook lag rahi hai. We've done the toilet run. Now we're looking for a duty free. Oh, I think WH Smith bhi hogi. We're looking for a duty free which sells snacks because we're in the mood to snack. Oh, we have some snacks here. We've got dairy milk. Guys, we're deciding which plane we want to sit on. Ali wants to sit on the dark green plane.
That's the big one.
But I think we're going to sit on that plane.
The big one is ours.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Guys, the seats look nice. I have traveled once before with Qatar. जब मैं Germany गई थी, and it was comfy. So I'm hoping for a comfortable experience. Ali, you excited too? Yeah. Yeah. The first time that I flew with Qatar, I loved it. And this time round, vibe 10 on 10. Itna leg space hai, like this is my legs, and I still have so much space. Numan ki legs. Numan, sit upright. See how much space you have for legs. That's good space for legs, right? Yeah, that is good leg space. Like, I'm short, obviously. It's good. Yeah, good leg space, Ali. Super comfy seats, very spacious. Like, look, abhi itni seat bahar hai, and it's like I love the space we have. So far, 10 on 10 on seat spacing. Very good. And this is just standard. Sausage with eggs. So we're just gonna keep his, if he wakes up, we're gonna loving this one. Guys, it's just been served hot coffee. और मैंने आर्यन के लिए oranges मंगवाया, did not have it. Got some fruits, did not have it. Khair, we're gonna have something as soon as we land in Doha. But yeah, haven't had my coffee, but it's nice and warm and it's very cold in the plane. Don't know, baby. Oh, look at those buildings, Ali. Can you see my camera screen? See those buildings. Guys, we have arrived at Doha airport और हमने bathroom use किया है. Now Numan's gone. Alyan is in a very active state, but I want to say overall our flight experience was really good. Like, I feel कि अगर मैं service को कुछ marks दूँ, then I feel that it was really good. I do feel that Emirates' staff is a bit more polite. Yeah, one thing, Emirates does have better entertainment system. Their entertainment wasn't great, like बहुत limited options थे, and I was struggling to be like, what should I watch? But overall, like, I feel like with Alyan it was fine. Like, there were times when he was a bit of a handful, काफी tantrums throw किए. But I feel like that's, I mean, he's a baby. So I would give it like an 8 on 10. Like, the whole experience with him, traveling with him at 2.5 years. 8 on 10. It was not bad. Alhamdulillah. Allah kare वापसी का सफर इससे बेहतर हो. But yeah, we're just killing some energy and waiting for data. Guys, बहुत मुश्किलों के बाद कुछ खाने का मिला. This airport is humongous, and because it is our first time in this terminal. Oh, क्या हुआ जानी? Chair, you want to sit? So as I was saying, बड़े मुश्किलों के बाद एक restaurant मिला है. Everyone's tired and hungry. I feel like we didn't eat a lot at the flight. Oh, Ali, it's just one thing after another. We are hungry and we need some food. So अभी हमें walk to walk मिला है. Walk to walk, which we're gonna get. There we go. We need some food in our system, and by we I mean Alyan. Guys, final flight. हमने खाना बस धोने वाले लेके we just ran for the gate. We still have time though. We're okay for time. We're going in anyway. Ali, you ready to go to Pakistan? Yeah. Yeah, you ready to go back to Pakistan? Guys, touchdown in Karachi. After a year, it feels so weird being back in the same airport that we usually would land and feel like, oh, we're home. It's crazy. Guys, ये जो फूलों की आमद होती है ये सिर्फ कराची एयरपोर्ट पे देखी है मैंने. क्या ज़बरदस्त खुशबू आ रही है. Guys, we have arrived in Karachi. Ali, what do you think of Karachi? Do you like it? Oh. What Aliyan just did is what we all feel right now. We're tired. That's what we are. We're tired. Can't wait. Numan has gone to get some money changed. ताकि हम taxi कर सकें because this is a surprise. Nobody knows we're coming. Are you going to Amma Abu house? Yeah? Are you ready? बच्चे को बहुत लारे रप्पे दिए कब से अम्मा अबू हाउस अम्मा अबू हाउस. अब he's like let me just ले भी जाए हम अम्मा अबू हाउस. कब से आप बोले ही जा रही हैं. He's like done. So yeah, when Aliyan is done you can see that he's quite rageful. So we're dealing with that, but Allah हमें सब्र दे. Let's go. दरवाजा खोले. Guys, we have arrived. Who remembers this background? Who remembers it? The OG followers. This was my sanctuary. Oh my god, this bed is so comfortable. I missed it and it's huge. Oh my god. This bed is huge. This is gonna be our home for I think the next month. Eid के बाद तक हम हैं यहाँ पे and it's gonna take a while to get used to everything because you know एक आपकी चीज़ें बन जाती हैं, रूटीन बनी हुई होती है. But I just took out my night suit. ये यहीं पे था and I was like I missed you. Oh मैं अभी तक bathroom नहीं गई. Let's check out the bathroom together. Oh, this looks massive compared to our bathrooms. Wow. Oh, नुमान की चप्पलें भी हैं यहाँ पे. There we go. Gonna take a shower. Oh, this feels good. I could get used to this. There we go, my mirror. Hello. Guys, we have come to Nahi at Malir Cant and we want to get some सामान for like Aliyan क्योंकि पानी शानी हमने सुना है आबिद दुबई एक पानी है जो कि बहुत ट्रस्टेड पानी है for kids जो कि बाहर से आते हैं ताकि उनका पेट ख़राब ना हो. So we're gonna get that and we're gonna see what options we can get for दूध. So let's see what we can do. This Naid is quite new, I think. I have never been here before. सबसे पहले snack shopping हो रही है भाई. ये वाले chips. Guys, hairbrush का बहुत option है यहाँ पे. So I'm just like, which one do I get? This is the pani, my Dubai, which everyone recommended. So हम ये लिया है and we got day fresh for Aliyan. And then I just got some tidbits. We'll give you a haul when I'm at home. I wanted to get a cleanser, but I couldn't find the right one. So अब देखेंगे. I'm just gonna order it online, whatever. Came to Pakistan for this cremello ice lava cake. My goodness. Just look at that. Perfection. By the way, हम मलीर कैंट वाले फ्रेडीज में हैं. And नुमान अफगानी बोटी नहीं ले रहे आप? नुमान का favorite order अफगानी बोटी. Little bit more. But this is the last time, okay?
Little bit more, little bit पीछे.
My options open.
Guys, नुमान जा रहे हैं छोड़ के मुझे अपने दोस्तों के साथ. ये होता था पाकिस्तान में, मुझे रात में छोड़ के फुल पार्टी वार्टी अपने मतलब क्या चंपी करा रहे हैं, कहीं बैठ के कहीं मलाई बूटी खा रहे हैं, कभी कुछ कर रहे हैं. चंपी करा
चाय पीते हैं,
चाय पी रहे होते हैं, स्नूकर खेलते हैं. और लंदन में जो है फुल मेला बॉयज़ मेलापन करते हैं. और आज जो है वो छोड़ के मुझे जा रहे हैं. पहली रात हमारी. नुमान इज़ लीविंग मी है. नुमान and he's not
पहली रात. हम तो साथ ही होते हैं हमेशा.
और मुझे कोई फॉल्स होप भी नहीं दे रहे हैं. हाँ,
सो जाए आप. सुबह मिलेंगे.
अच्छा बेटा, मैं भी करूँगी लंदन जाके ये
तो करती ही थी आप
जी नहीं, रात भर तो नहीं.
एक साल वेट किया
Hello everyone, I'm back home and I have to put Alian to bed. मगर उससे पहले I just wanted to show you a few things that I bought from Sapphire. ये मैंने order की थी when I was in the UK still, and I got it delivered और वो सामान आ गया है. This t-shirt is not from Sapphire. This is from Lulu sir, but this skirt is. Now one thing I want to say about this skirt is that the material is just so thick. धागा खींचे और पूरा जैसे इसमें लाइन आ जाए ना, वो वाला सीन है. It's very thin fabric. I honestly thought कि थोड़ा सा thicker fabric होगा, but maybe it's for like the summer season, so like you don't need इतना thick silk, you know, वरना गर्मी भी हो सकती है. So maybe it's because of that, but honestly the quality is just okay. So what I was looking forward to the most was this jacket. This is beautiful. Like, look at that. This is a proper like jacket. It's cotton, it's embroidered. ये part embroidered है. Then we have like these little tassels, and this is all printed. These little like white things are embroidered, and they run throughout the coat. And yeah, that's the embroidered bit. बाकी जो है it's all cotton, and it is really pretty. I love this coat. इसमें एक red color का भी था, but that got sold out, and I'm not sure if this is still in stock. I will try to find it and link it, but I'm not sure if it is because बहुत थोड़े से बचे हुए थे. But yeah, love it. We have this skirt, which is like a leopard print skirt, and I like it. I really like it. I think this is definitely slightly better than the green one. I do like the green one. I just feel like it's just too flimsy of a fabric. Other than that, मुझे color बहुत पसंद है. But this I really like. I think it looks lovely. I'm not sure how I want to style this. It goes all the way up, so like काफी like high-waisted skirt है, and I like it. And then I also ordered this waistcoat because this is so in, like it's very trendy at this season, waistcoats and like with black pants. I also thought कि मैंने pants order किए हैं, but मैंने नहीं की थी क्योंकि नहीं निकली हैं. But yeah, definitely will not be wearing it with this t-shirt क्योंकि ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है मैं फंस गई हूँ. But I like it. It's nice. I think it's gonna fit really well. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. Like, it's gonna be a nice formal outfit. I did order the pants. These are it. These are drawstring pants, but I will not try them on. I might do like an outfit, get ready with me with these, and also because मेरा बच्चा जो है अब उसका सोने का टाइम हो चुका है, so we need to put him to bed. Let's go. Guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. A lot more vlogs coming because I am vlogging quite a bit. So आहिस्ता करके I will upload them all. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next week's vlog.